Yeah, just whack it up.
He rides like that. Try to put your finger in there.
That's the trailer.
Set.
Barbecue. James, start a bit more.
Hello and welcome to day 3 of Ultimate Dubs. Today is the main show day. Everyone has made it. Alex Carroll is here.
Just. What do you put in this window? Quick detailer?
Apparently I've cleaned his car too well for him.
To the left of me, like we ain't in these streets more than sesame. But that shit chick, then why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone, speaking sexually? Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Heffany. I don't open doors for her. I just want the neck, nothing more. Shorty make it clap, make it applaud. When you tired of your man, give me a call.
Yesterday you were talking about that t-shirt.
Oh yeah, got one. Straight out the pack. It's not actually this big, I just wear XL because I wear XL.
Because you were oversized.
I remember somebody commented being like, oh, the sleeve's actually that far down, but I just like wearing the XL.
What was last night like? Good. It was eventful. That's the word we're going to use for it. Eventful.
Around the corner like
I went to bed. What's your favorite car here? Ask you, what's your favorite car?
There's a nice Mark 5 Golf in there with an R32.
Why is it always a Golf? What about all these nice BMWs?
Well, that one there is quite nice. I haven't actually had a good look around yet. I probably should do that now.
he rides like that. Flat out. Like, it's like that everywhere. Try put your finger in there. Go. No, in there.
Are you cunt? Like?
It is mean. It's insane. Here, have you seen his headlight covers? You look bad, big say.
Oh, that's a good job out there.
Oh, that's like how I made sure.
Is it? Yeah.
So cars on our stand today, as previously mentioned, my E28. This Volkswagen Caddy, which is on hydro, is pretty fucking cool. He's done a lot of work to it, especially in the engine bay.
James, what engine's in that
That's
Caddy?
a V18.
What's it out of?
If it's a V18 on Integra, I would assume. Although I think it came out of the Civic, so maybe it's a V16. I don't really know.
Well, I didn't. I knew it was.
V18 or V16.
I knew it was a Honda because I had a Honda badge on it.
It does. It also has Honda center caps.
And he has a Honda key,
Yes, he would do. And clocks.
but it's a Volkswagen. Hydro. It's on the bed. Looks pretty cool. Nice little touches all over the car.
It also has switches because switches get bitches.
They do. I hear this.
Sorry to drop Alex Carroll in it, but yesterday when I re-put it down, it moved fast.
Oh, like the Hydro, yeah. So what about this? The other car in our stand, do you know anything about it?
I am familiar with this vehicle, yeah.
What engine's in it?
It's 2.5 litre.
Original?
Yeah, the engine's completely stock. Only engine modifications was a lift because it was too low to the ground. Some engine spacers and a really nice chopped fan because of the engine race.
Nice. Should I bag my F80? Leave me a comment, yes or no. What do you think, James? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Looks sick.
I don't actually want to bag the F80, so I don't know why he said that. I like it static.
Just look at that.
That looks good, but I like driving it.
Just around if we can find a better looking static car.
I like it just being low all the time.
Better looking static car.
I like it just being low all the time. That's a very clean 964. I like these uniforms as well.
Everyone that has a 964 has a Momo Pro tip in them too. Does this guy? Wow, he does. If he has one.
Are you a Porsche specialist?
No, definitely not. I'll know a lot more about Porsches than I do. Do you enjoy Momo Pro tip then?
Spoiler here, James actually knows the owner of this car, so even if it has the steering wheel in it, he's probably already knew that.
I have absolutely no idea. Come on, Jay, what do you have? Per effort, Jay. Per effort.
Yeah, wrong steering wheel. Barbecue.
How's it going?
It's going pretty good because I'm not making a video today, which is very weird. It's very strange walking around actually
I
not.
feel very guilty.
Do you want to have a go?
No.
So Cameron, who's over there, and Robbie is making the after movie for UD today. James and I are taking a break.
I've filmed UD what? 4 times?
I know, but like normally we help.
Yeah.
It's good. It's weird. Very strange. I feel relaxed, not stressed for once, and not sweating, which you definitely are.
Here, I'm actually not too bad. It is very warm in here. There's a heater right there, and when you're trying to film the player stand, you get cooked like.
Cooked like. Yeah, cooked like. A big shoe here.
Why did he end up with 2 camera phones?
Do you know what he done? He tore up the front of his shoes, so he cut off a bicycle tire and melted them to the front. What do you say?
Big shoe, big shoe. That big thing.
Why'd you use a bicycle tire? Scrippy. That's all I have to
So
say.
whenever he's climbing, he gets a grip on the side.
Yeah. Scrippy. Loads of people commenting the Turbo Beat t-shirt.
To you?
Yeah.
What are they saying?
I really like your t-shirt.
Here.
Like, yeah, it's new.
I've heard Hornet and I've heard Wasp.
Well, they said they didn't.
I haven't got to B.
They didn't.
I'm hoping for B, like.
What'd you say?
It doesn't matter.
I think it does matter.
irrelevant.
Everyone's opinion matters.
He works in the past.
It's whatever, like.
We're very worldwide. That's who I'm filming for
Why?
today.
Yo, whoa.
I was wearing an Albi hoodie and then it got really warm, so yeah, I'm sorry. But I still
Why could I fucking get angry at them little eyes? Look at that. Oh, you kidding? Put a love song in here, Big C. Just smile at the camera, please.
Excellent. Oh, barbecue. Could you just make this whole video vlog just me and Jason barbecue? Barbecue. That's the trailer.
Say it.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
I don't know what he's saying.
Say barbecue.
Barbecue!
It was him. It was him. Say it normally, actually.
Barbecue.
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 But we just put a bit of emphasis on it for theatrical
I like it.
impact. Barbecue.
What?
He's definitely got the best weight.
Lamborghini Mercy.
Ferrari.
You know what I like about this?
It's a Lamborghini in its bag.
I like the fact that he's running a 21 on the back and a 20 on the front.
Steiger.
I like that.
He also has his Acura controller in that airband at the top, which looks well.
I will go look. Boston make a big wheel, don't they? Definitely see a lot of disc. See a lot of disc there. A lot of disc.
A lot of breakage.
Lamborghini Mercedes. I'm not gonna lie, they look like standard Lamborghini wheels.
Really?
Are they standard Lamborghini wheels?
I assume, being under a Vossen tent, I'd say no, unless Vossen make Lamborghini wheels.
Who knows?
Could be a thing.
If I had a Lamborghini, you know, I wouldn't put these wheels on mine. That old chestnut.
Yeah, exactly.
The carbon looks really fake. I mean, obviously it's not, but to appearance.
This all slate, this Lamborghini.
Do you think that's weird?
It's so weird looking.
Must be like a matte finish to tie in with this lovely matte paint. Look at that. Just look at that. What's going on? There's glass.
I can actually get one of those for the E28. It looks a little different, but
Yeah.
I could have one of them.
That's everything that's going on from about here to here is amazing.
It looks more like a museum or
Yeah.
gallery that
An
would
art piece.
win a few awards in AD magazine.
Look at the size of that bed. Look at the size of that bed.
Look at the size of that door.
Vent,
Door.
vent,
A door.
vent.
A door. Move big, see we're looking at this i8. See standard i8s. And then, like, different than the Lambo, obviously Lambos are ridiculous, but standard i8s suck. They actually do suck. But like, this one is cool.
Yeah.
You know what it is? I think it's the fact that they put blue on it and it just looks unbelievably tacky. Like, look at the steering wheel.
The inside's not great. Like
Steering wheel looks like out of like a Playmobil car or something.
this is fairly impressive what's ever going on here.
Got some crazy lines. But I like the colour of this one. Is it paint or wrap?
Is it? Yes.
Alright.
It's probably wrapped.
Congratulations to the owner of this, removing the blue tackiness.
Do they not come in any other colour?
I don't think so. It's a good point. I've never considered that.
They come in white and they come in this colour.
Yeah, but I thought there was always blue, like at some point on it, because all the I cars have that wee, like that blue kind of
I'm not really sure.
highlight color. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know.
I like the fuel cup.
Fuel caps out there, like in this
Are they hybrids or not?
hybrid.
I got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine for the beast, got more rappies inside my DNA. I got power for the pain and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, no ambition, flow inside my DNA. I was born like this, immaculate conception. I transform like this, perform like this.
This is the perfect way to fuck this up.
Oh, it's final image. Come on. Come on.
Alex,
I'll do it.
do you want to talk me through your sticker applying method?
So what we do is we peel this piece off here. This is the backing piece. And if you buy cheap stickers, right, and then what we do is we just pick a place on the car.
It's only a Lamborghini.
I know. Do you know what is dreadful? That black bonnet. Cheers. Brand everything. Fit duck.
Are you gonna do this? I kind of want to watch this be absolutely.
Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah, but he's a real vinyl.
Yeah, it's gonna make for a better video if you mate, surely.
Don't let him do it.
You've got a good eye.
I've got a fucking terrible eye, mate. I don't know what I'm doing. Watch the bottom end there.
It's a line. You look clever.
Right.
What the hell?
Yeah, just whack it on. Killing me.
I'm fucking sick. This is shit. It's just a.
I can't. He's holding it. Look.
I'm sweating.
Look at the gap here. Look at the gap here.
It's on, isn't it? this is shit. This is shit.
I'm just saying.
This is a.
Yeah, you fit like a glove. Well, show me around.
I'm out of breath. I'm absolutely fucked after getting in just into the car. Say we have the main bit, the driver's seat, the Lamborghini. There's not a lot to tell you really.
This was meant to be a tour. What's that, mate?
This is how you put it in reverse. This little one. Stop is here.
Start it up.
I can't. I get really pulled off. And now we'll watch me get out.
My bitch too horny to be. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a heater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop off a jet to a check when I land. My bitch too horny to be. I don't need her. Pull a drop top with a heater. Two-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. I woke up thinking about bands. Hop off a jet to a check when I land.
Got the kids in the back. James. And that's UD wrapped up for another year. Thanks to everyone who came by the booth, bought some of the new merchandise and came over for a chat. Of course, all the new merchandise by now is on the store, so if you want to support the channel, head over and check that out. And as always, subscribe, like and comment. Push the notification button. Comment. I hate saying that.
bit.
Oh, what?
Tell us what your favorite bit was.
Tell us what your favorite bit was.
Down below.
Goodbye.